SAP, but I want to switch there. That's it.
Okay. Acha, acha, okay, okay. That's nice. Thanks for introduction, Rajat. You have totally, that means totally you have 5+ years of experience, right? 5+.
No, sir, not 5+. It's totally 3+.
3+. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, that's nice. Thanks for introduction, Rajat. You can mute yourself. Thank you.
All right,
Yes,
thank you.
yeah, yeah. Who's the next? Hafsa Khan, can you please go ahead and introduce yourself?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Hafsa. Can you tell about yourself a little bit?
Sir, myself Hafsa. I am from Bangalore.
Okay,
Currently, I am working as a business studies lecturer in Falcon College.
okay, okay.
I have done my Master of Commerce in Accounting and Taxation.
Account taxation. Okay, okay, okay. That's nice.
Uh, I, I,
Okay, so how many years are you working as a lecturer?
sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
How many years are you working as a lecturer? Like how many years of experience you have?
From 2 years, sir.
2 years. Okay, okay, okay. So
Yes.
qualification is you are done MCom, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, that's nice. Thanks for introduction of sir. You can mute yourself. Thank you.
You're
Yes.
welcome.
Who is the next? Ashish, can you please introduce about yourself?
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Ashish Sani and I'm currently working in Infosys
Okay.
with a
Okay. Mm-hmm.
2.5 years of experience as a SAP consultant.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So you're working as a consultant. Okay, that's good. Then, are you a certified SAP consultant or you're just working as a consultant?
Not a certified, but I joined Infosys as a trained in a SAP module.
Okay, so are you working on any project or you're working
Yeah,
as an
yeah,
end user?
yeah. I'm working as a Canada-based, uh,
Okay.
based Canada-based project for a client and working in a module of MDM,
Okay.
OCM, and
Okay.
forecasting and replenishment.
Okay. Okay. Acha. So what is the purpose of joining SAP? Are you already working on SAP, right?
Ah, I want to pursue FICO also because my lead said that you can go directly to FICO.
Okay, 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 okay. Isaac, yeah, fine, fine, no problem. Then thanks for introduction, Ashish. Totally you have 2 years of experience in SAP, right?
2.5.
2 point. Okay, okay, fine, 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 no problem. Thank you, Ashish. You can mute yourself. Thank you. Yeah. So is the next? I think Salma. Can you tell about introduce about yourself, Salma?
Hi, good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Yeah, my name is Sarma. I'm from Bangalore.
You're from Bangalore. Okay.
Hello. I have done my MBA in
And
finance.
qualification?
MBA in
Okay.
finance.
Okay. Okay.
I used to teach for the MBA students financial subjects as a lecturer. I worked as a
Acha,
lecturer.
acha, acha. Okay. Okay. I think you introduced about yourself, right, just now.
No, that is my colleague. We both joined together.
Ah,
She's my
okay, okay,
colleague.
okay. Acha, 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 acha. I said, yeah, acha, acha, fine, fine. That's nice then. Okay, okay, okay. I was not knowing about it. Okay, that's nice then.
Yeah.
Almost all like some experience are there and 1 2 or fishes are there. Fine. Thanks for introduction, Salma. Can mute yourself. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all 6 have joined. Okay. So that's nice, everyone. You guys introduced about yourself and you told about yourself. What do you do? What's your qualification? Where are you from? You told everything about yourself. So today, what I will doing is today I will just taking the introduction part of SAP. I want to know one thing. Have you guys already have taken the training from some other trainer or it is a first time? Like any other trainer? Because I saw your WhatsApp messages. There was some mess up was there. You asked to the Manika regarding the classes. So I want to know. I want to know about it. Have you guys taken a training?
No, it was only for 1 day training was like only one class
Okay.
was done.
Okay.
Same
Okay.
here.
So then, Same. Okay, then what is the purpose of changing the batch actually? Purpose of changing?
Timing is the main purpose. Like timing was not
Okay.
for us.
Okay. 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 Acha, it's not like this, kya?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Fine. So, okay, then no problem in that. So see, you guys introduce about yourself. So let me introduce about myself now. And I'm going to tell you what are the things we have in SAP, what are the course and content I'll be covering to you know, in our training. Okay. And how the recording get, how we'll get a recording of the classes, that everything I'll be telling you. Okay. So today I'll be taking only a introduction class of SAP, not more than that. Okay, I'll be taking one introduction class of SAP today. So then next what I will be taking, I'll be telling you about a classes practically. I'll be telling you. So basically, you guys introduce about yourself. I want to introduce about myself today to you. So see, basically, my name is Pawan, and my original name is a Gajendra Karke. I the documentation name. I am a certified SAP S4 HANA financial accounting consultant. Okay, so can you see this screen? This is my certification which I have cleared from the SAP. Okay, so basically I'm a certified SAP as for financial accounting consultant. Okay, and coming to my experience, I totally have 8 to 10 years of experience in SAP. I have worked with a multiple implementation project. I have worked with a multiple support project and as well as a rollout project. So that you can see in my you can see my screen. In my screen, what you see, this is my training experience. What I have. Okay, I totally in a training I'm working since 5+ years. Okay, so then this is my all training experience. What you will see in my particular screen. So whatever the skills I have with me, depend upon that only I'll be giving you in my training. Okay, so whatever the skills I have, whatever the knowledge I have, I'll be sharing you that with you guys, and we're telling you how SAP will work and what are the configuration we have for SAP and how you should practice SAP, that I'll be telling you. So coming to the introduction part of SAP, let me start with the scratch. Okay, everything I'll be starting from a scratch. Okay, so first let us start with the SAP introduction class. And before starting the class, I want to tell you one thing. See, Nisha has kept the recording the classes. So recording will get reflected in the Zoom, sorry, in this Skype chat. Okay, in the Skype chat, the recording get reflected. So after the class is completed, then what you can do, you can just download it from there. Okay, you can just download it from there. After that, class is completed. Every day can download it from there. So directly from that recording only, you can download it. Okay. I think someone has joined new one. Nisha Kumari, like Nisha same. Is it both are same? I want a confirmation, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, okay, fine. So you joined with two names, fine, no problem. So what I was telling you, see Nisha, you already have kept on recording the classes. So this recording will get reflected in Zoom chat, download it from there and practice in SAP later. Okay. Now let us start with the SAP introduction class. What is SAP? How SAP will work? See, basically an introduction to SAP software. SAP, what the term full form we call, it stands for system application and a products in a data processing software. The term what we call SAP. This basically stands for system application and products in a data processing software. Okay, and software SAP is one of the leading enterprise information management package around the worldwide. All over the worldwide use SAP. The countries like US, UK, Dubai, Saudi, Qatar, all over Middle East countries, European countries, all the countries use SAP software all over the worldwide. And use of this package makes it possible to track and manage data in real time. It can be a financial accounting data, okay, it can be an HR data, sales data, production data in enterprises. So all data we can track and manage SAP in one time. See, this is the main advantage of SAP. Okay, what is the main advantage of SAP is it can give you all the solution in one software. So before, what companies to do, the companies to run one department, one software. Okay, finance different, HR different, sales different, production different. Now what companies are doing, they are implementing all departments in one software. That is what SAP brought into market. SAP has brought a software where it provides all the solution for the companies in a one software. And that is the reason many companies are working in SAP. Okay, because they get all the solution in one software. And also SAP AG is the one of the third largest software company in the world. The software what SAP we use, it is one of the third largest software company in the world. Okay, and also SAP now employs more than 48,500 people, more than 120 countries, even in more than the 120 country plus they are using SAP software. And the global headquarters of SAP located in the Germany. Software SAP is also called as a German software. Okay, it is a German software, headquarters in Germany, and a company is listed several stock exchanges in SAP. Okay, we have like the stocks, we have like Frankfurt DX and NYSE. Okay, and it also has a more than 2,400 partners and 26 industrial solutions, and a millions of users are there in SAP around the worldwide. Okay, so the versions we have in SAP, we have EHP and S4HANA. There are two versions are there. SAP uses two versions. There are two versions which currently many companies are working. Okay, some are working in EHP. So currently your training I'll be doing in this EHP 7. Okay, and another version is S4HANA version. Okay, so both are same almost. You work on EHP or you work on S4HANA, both version are same version. Anything in this you learn almost all, the interface is same. Okay, so this is introduction. Then comes after that, next after this, why SAP? Why companies are choosing SAP? Why not other software? See, first of all, the software SAP, it is user friendly. Okay, it is very easy to use.
Sorry,
Yes, tell me.
sorry to interrupt.
Yeah,
Uh,
yes.
What is the basic difference between both this S4HANA and SAP?
Yeah, see, I'll tell you the difference between S4 and ECC. See, EHP is a software which currently many Indian companies are working, and S4 HANA is a new technology what SAP has launched to market. Okay, the difference between the EHP and S4 HANA is that ECC runs on a hard drive. Okay, ECC what software we use now, like it is runs on a hard drive in SAP, and S4 HANA runs on this one. What you call S4 HANA runs on a RAM basis, cloud based software. Ready? So the ECC and that one is there. Okay. The main difference in the S4 HANA and ECC is their database actually. Okay. Database changes will be there a lot. Okay, database like basically for merge of a controlling and a financial accounting, new ledger, customer vendor business partner. There are so many changes they have done in ECC and S4HANA. Okay, there are so many changes SAP has done between ECC and the SAP S4HANA. Okay, you can take, there are so many differences. In the ECC, the database will be created with the MS, SQL, Oracle, HANA like that. But in S4 HANA, what is there? No, compulsory must run on HANA here. Okay, I'll just show you here. If you want a difference in deep, I'll be showing you the difference in deep here. So let me tell you the difference between this is a ECC and this is S4 HANA. Okay. What difference we have is here the database will be running on for example MS SQL, you can tell, otherwise you can tell it as a Oracle, different are there. In S4 HANA must run on HANA only. If I tell you this thing, it will be too technical, so I'm not giving too technical, I'm just telling you upside. Okay, in ECC you have separate customer and customer vendor Separate customer and vendor will be there. Like maintaining separate customer vendor will be there here. Okay. Files. Intel as a files. Okay, here we maintain separate customer vendor file, but in SAP S/4HANA they have made it to BP. BP is called business partner. Okay, and there are so many are there, still so many are there, but that I'll be telling you how we go in the future in steps. Okay, if I tell you database, if I tell you MS SQL, Oracle and all, some people are from commerce background, correct? So if you're from commerce background, it will be very hard to understand what is database and all those things. So these all things are not mandatory. The mandatory is these all things to understand. Got it clearly? So there are many things are there which I'll be telling you in future. So the main difference is ECC runs on database like hard drive, you can call hard disk drive. S/4HANA runs on RAM basis. Every PC has a RAM, which is called random access memory. Correct? It runs on cloud. This can run on cloud. ECC cannot be run on the cloud. It is on premises. Correct? This is on premises. This can be offered to the company on premises as well as on cloud, both. I think it's clear with your question. Who asked it? I think Ashish.
Yeah, it is clear.
Clear? Okay. So I'll be telling you that in depth later when I go to the SAP system. Then coming to next year, why companies are choosing SAP? Software is user friendly, deployed globally all over the worldwide. Software is reliable. Information SAP is easy to process, and SAP gives accurate information, and it is affordable software, improve effectiveness, and it supports all businesses. SAP can support small scale, medium scale, large scale, all type of company. Starting from small scale industry to large scale sector to medium scale, all the industries are working in SAP. Okay, because SAP provides a solution for all type of industry. Not only big IT, they also provide solution for small scale, medium scale, as well as large scale industry. That is why we call it supports all businesses. Then coming to the next year, history with when the software was founded. SAP software was founded in 1972 by 5 IBM engineers founded software. We have like Hop, Hatter, Planenter, Valenter, and Tisha. These are the engineers who found software in 1972. Actually, it's a long story of SAP. Okay, there were 5 IBM engineers were there. They were working in IBM company. The engineers. So what is engineer actually? They thought of creating one software where it provides all the solution in one software. So then they came with the SAP actually. Okay, so it's a long story of that IBM engineers. They planned and they started this SAP. Okay, then the first version they launched was a R1. That is came in 1972. Then came R2. Then came R3. Then came 3.11, 4.0, 4.5, 4.6. Many they have launched. What is R1 means? R1 basically stands for real-time one. Real-time one means one is called database layer. SAP runs on 3 layers. One is called database layer. Another is called presentation layer. And third one is called application layer. These 3 layers are a fixed in SAP. Yes, anyone has any questions? I think so. Okay. Rajat, you know it. Rajat, can you hear me? You no need to take screenshot, Rajat. Why? Because you get a recording of these classes. Don't worry about that. Okay, you can go to the recording. Okay, you'll get a recording. Okay, fine. So what I was telling you, about this thing here. Yeah. So SAP runs on 3 layers: database layer, presentation layer, application layer. So what do you mean by this database layer, application layer, presentation layer? What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is database layer means, see, this for example, this is an Excel file. When you create an Excel file, you save it. Where you save it? You save it D drive, C drive, desktop, you save it. That is called database layer. where your data is going. And presentation layer means what? Presentation layer means, see this home, insert. Can you see this? This is one kind of presentation, which is like the screen what you can see. The screen what you can see, this is called the presentation layer. And application layer means how you will start this. This will start by MS Excel. This is the application layer. Okay, when you run MS Excel, that is application. So any software, whatever is there, they run on 3 layers: database, presentation, application. Database means where data will go. Presentation means where your presentation can be done. Application layer means what? Application layer basically means this thing what you call where your software will log in from there. It is called application layer. So that is called R3 here. Then SAP launched 3.11, 4.1, 4.5, 4.6. Many versions they launched. Currently, we are currently working on EHP version of SAP. Okay, EHP is also there, as for HANA is also there. Those all launched in 2019 actually. Can go with the EHP, it is same, or can go with the SAP as for HANA, even that is also same. Okay, EHP basically stands for enhancement package, it is called. The full form of EHP basically for enhancement package. And HANA basically stands for high performance analytical appliance, it is called. Okay, HANA basically stands for high performance analytical appliance, it is called. And this is the year 2019. SAP always.
Sir, please repeat.
Yeah.
Sir, please repeat.
Yeah, shall I repeat? Okay. So see here, HANA basically stands for high performance analytical appliance, it is called the full form. And see, SAP has launched a SAP like this year. Yes, for HANA 1709. Okay, and they launched SAP 1709. Then they launched like this. Many versions. These are the versions. I'll just tell you. 1709. Then they launched here 1809. Then we have 1909. Currently they are launched here as for HANA 2020. Then recently they launched another one SAP as for 2021. This is the year of launch. So 1709 means what? This is a code name. What code name? On 2017 September 09 is a September month. On this date they launched this version. Which one? 1709 version SAP. Then again they launched 2018 September again. Then again they launched September 2019 September 1909. Now they are currently working on 2020 and 2021. Okay, so this is how the SAP will launch their version. 1709, 1809, 1909, 2020 and 2021. Correct. Currently we are working on 2021 version. So this is actually in S4 HANA. Okay. So now you will be working on EHP system, not in HANA actually. Okay, we will be working on EHP. EHP basically stands for enhancement package version. Correct, enhancement package it is called. So this is the version of SAP what is available. Now coming to the next point, models. This is not required. I'll tell you here clearly. SAP actually has a two type of model. One is called technical model. The another is called functional model. So what's the difference between technical and functional model? Technical model means where you can do coding, programming, and all those things. SAP always has a two type of model, technical and functional. The technical model means the people who belongs to the coding, programming background. They all people learn the technical model like basic security, ABAP. ABAP means advanced business application programming. SAP NetWeaver. SAP IS stands for information system. These are a technical model. Now what model you will be learning is called functional model. Which all functional model you have? We have like FI, financial accounting, CO controlling, MM, material management, S&D, system distribution, PP, production planning, HR, human resources. These all are the functional model. And these all functional model are integrated. These all functional model are tightly integrated. FI to CO, CO to MM to SD to PP, PP to HR. One by one to each other, these models are integrated. So your model which will be learning is FI and a CO. Majorly I'll be covering FI part. CO part I will be telling you as much as possible more, because this is actually management accounting. FI is called financial accounting. CO is called as a management accounting. Okay, if management decides they want to go for CO controlling, then only they will do the controlling, or else they don't do it. Okay, this is optional for the company. Which one? Controlling model. Controlling model is optional for the company. Clear? And MMSDPP, these all models are learned by the people who comes from manufacturing experience, like B mechanical, B civil engineering were done. Okay, and diploma in civil and all. So those people learn this. You'll be learning FI and C. Okay, and these are technical. Okay, technical is not required. Then coming to the next point, SAP industrial solution. What do you mean by industrial solution? Industrial solution means which all companies are working in SAP. Okay, which all industry is SAP providing the solution. See, we have manufacturing industry, we have financial services, we have public service industry. So all the industries are working in SAP. Okay, the manufacturing industry we have like aerospace and defense, for example, Indigo and Air India, Air Asia. Correct. Automotive company we have like Accenture, Wipro, TCS, all. Correct. Tata Company Limited and everything. SAP for chemical companies are working on SAP. Many are there. Consumer product engineering customer operations like L&T, Bosch, Robert Bosch. High-tech companies are working on SAP. Oil and gas, mining product, PPCL, ONGC, everything. Banking, insurance are working on SAP. Defense security, that means Indian Army, Indian Air Force, IAF. Higher education, industry, service industry, railways and all. So basically, not only one, SAP provides multiple solutions for all the industry. Either it can be in manufacturing, either it can be a finance, either it can be a public, either it can be service industry. All the industry, they work on SAP software. Okay, and coming to the next year, SAP customers. We have among 47,000 customers. Not only 47,000, we have more than lakhs of customers. Okay, now can you just Google and check it? It will tell you here. How many customers does SAP? So how many customers does SAP have worldwide? Okay, how many customers SAP has? This is the SAP official site. Actually, they don't discuss it, but they might give you one answer. They have more than global companies, partner globals are there. So see, they have total 20,000, not here. The customers, employees. These are the employees. They have more than 1 lakh plus. They have actually. They don't discuss their customer actually. The global revenue of SAP is 27.84 billion euros are there. Euros, not dollars. 27.84 billions are there. Okay, and user here is this. Okay, user means the customers you can call. See, it has become 245 million now. Okay, when like around 2011 and 2012, when I was working, they were having more than 40-50,000 customers. Very big IT companies. Now they have more than 245,000 plus customers they have. Okay, millions of subscribers. Subscriber means customer. So these are the some customers which are listed here. See, out of American Express, Apple, BMW, and Nike, Nokia, PepsiCo, P&G. So these all companies you hear in your day-to-day life, right? So these all companies are the customers of SAP. Okay, we have Canon, BMW, Apple, okay, Verizon, Kellogg's, MCD, Nestle, Ford, Disney. Okay, so why we call them as SAP customer? The reason why we call them as SAP customer is because these all companies are working in SAP. They take all the end-to-end solution from SAP. For example, BMW. Okay, BMW is working in Oracle from many years. Now BMW want to come to SAP. So when BMW want to come to SAP, what they do? They go and purchase SAP from SAP software. They purchase SAP software from SAP, and then they give that project to implement to the third-party software company like Infosys, Accenture, TCS, those all. Ready? So that is why we call them as SAP customer. So these all are, and not only this big IT industry, many people have impressed that SAP is applied for only large companies. But the truth is, SAP offers solution for small as 10 people, and is taking the small mid enterprise now. Basically, people think that only big large IT industry only works on SAP. It is not like that. SAP does provide the solution for small as 10 people also. Okay, not only big IT industry. Even small as a 10 people who has an employee, no, even they also can work on SAP software. So that is the SAP actually what they do, they provide business software to them. See, if the company has a, if any company has a turnover of 1 crore, more than 1 crore, they use ERP software. ERP means which we will be training now, ERP. If company has a 10 employees and they have less than 1 crore of turnover, they'll be using a software called SAP this one they use it. This one. Okay, SAP Business One. What is SAP Business One? SAP Business One is a business management software designed for a small and mid-sized enterprise. Sold by a German company, SAP. Quite clearly, if any company is small and it is a mid-size, they will go for SAP Business One rather than this ERP software. What will be training now? So this is the introduction part of SAP. I hope everyone is clear this introduction part. Anyone has a doubt, you can ask a query.
Mid-sized in the sense that have a turnover per crore to crore.
One second, who is speaking? I don't know. Who is speaking? Like Ashish. Ashish, yeah, Ashish, can you repeat your question? Yeah.
As you said that mid-size is business use this small enterprise solution that have a turnover of 1 crore or 2 crore.
Yes, yes, yes. Anything. See, depend upon the SAP will suggest them. SAP will suggest to the customer that which software they should go. They should go for SAP Business One or they should go for SAP ERP. So most of the 90% of the time, SAP will tell them if the company is less than 10 people. If less than 10 people, less than 20 employees are there, they will tell them to go for SAP Business One, not SAP ERP, because ERP will cost them more than the Business One. Correct. For example, if you go to, if for example, if you go to buy any phone, or you can take it as an Apple iPhone. So you see there you have a Apple 14 is there, iPhone 14 is there. If you go for a iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, correct? The more you get a future, the more it will cost you. Correct. So depend upon the future, SAP will cost to the companies. Clear? That is called CTS. CTS means cost to services. It is called. CTS is called as a cost to service. Yes. Yes. I hope your doubt is clear. Ashish, you still have any doubt?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now, is anyone else apart from Ashish? If anyone has, you can ask me doubt. Be frank in my class. Any doubts you have, ask it. I'll solve it. Because since 10 years I'm working in SAP system, and whatever doubt you have, you can ask me. I will tell you how much I know, how much is possible from my end. Okay, because even I cannot tell that I know everything about SAP, because SAP is very big software. Correct. SAP is very big software that even you work for 10 to 20 years also, it will be still less. New things will be coming in SAP. That's why every day new things will be coming. Okay, I think everyone is clear with this. Fine. Then I'll be telling you now SAP login process. Okay, how you log on to SAP and how will be what will be working. See, as I already know, maybe you already got SAP software from the institution, correct? So what you got to do? You need to log on to this. So before logging into this, I'll be telling you what you'll be learning in SAP. See, When you learn SAP software now in my training, okay, in my training when you learn SAP, you get here two separate operating tools in one software. Okay, so when you learn SAP now in my training, you get two different tools in one software here. One is called as a functional tool, which is also called as an implementation guide. Okay, the another tool is called non-functional tool. It is called as an end user. So what is the difference between this and this? See, functional tool implementation means this is used by IT companies for the implementation of the project. It is also used for support project for configuration purpose. All types of project of SAP we do implemented here. Consultant who has experience of 4 to 5 years, they all work under this tool. Okay, companies like Accenture, okay, and the companies like IBM, TCS, Infosys, they all work under this tool. Which tool? Implementation tool. And there is another tool called a non-functional tool, called end user. What is end user tool? This we use for business purpose. What we do here? Here we pass a day-by-day transaction of the company, like data entry, billing, invoices. All things will be done from this one. That is called end user screen. See, for example, maybe some people are working in Tally, Oracle, PeopleSoft. That is just a end user software. Correct? That is just the end user software. Even that also we have in SAP end user. So there are two tools are there. One is called functional implementation, which is called IT level, where the projects will be happening. The another one is non-functional end user. Now I'll be showing you how this will work and how this will work in SAP. Okay. For that, what you should do? We should log on to SAP. Correct. So once I log on to SAP, I'll be getting one like this screen, SAP GUI. GUI means user interface screen. Okay, SAP GUI means it is called graphics user interface screen. Now what I should do? I need to log on to my system. I need to log into my system. So to log in, what I'll do? I'll click on log on. This is the GUI. From GUI I'll log in. So once I log on, system will ask me client, user ID, password, and language. Okay, so client, I will take it as a 800 now. This client will change company to company. Okay, in SAP, typically in SAP, you get three type of client. Type of clients you get SAP. One is called DEV, another one is QAS, another is called DEV QAS, and another is called PRD. DEV is called as a development server. Okay, DEV is called development server. QAS is called quality server, and PID is called server. Okay, these three type of client you get in SAP. Okay, QAS means it is called quality server. Quality server means this is used for education purpose, testing, training purpose. It is used. Maybe I have already given it here. It is there. See, development server means developers or a consultant uses this one. Which one? This one. And quality means who uses quality server? High end user testing and training. CTM is core team member. Okay. Production is what? End user will use this live data to transfer it. So three server you get in SAP. Any company you work in SAP: development, quality, production. Development, consultant, high end user testing and training. Production, end user live data. So that is the server. It is called this one. It will change as per the company to company which you work. So now I'll take 800 and my user ID I'll take here and my password. I think this user ID, password and client your institution has given you already. Maybe I don't know. If they are not given you, you just contact her. To many contact she will give you. So we should give this much of detail. So after giving this much of detail, once I click on enter, I will get one screen here. See, SAP Easy Access, SAP menu. This screen is called SAP End User screen. Where is this? Here, this one. I told you, two we have: implementation, end user. Now what screen can you see in this screen? SAP Easy SAP menu. This is called end user screen. This one is this. So what we do here, day-to-day entry, billing, posting, transactions we do from this screen here. Like for example, accounts receivable, see invoice posting, customer invoice, vendor invoice, all this we can be done from here, this screen. And there's another screen where we implement our project or where the implementation of this thing will be happening. For that, you need to go for this tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, execute projects. You need to go here, or else you can type this code directly here. SPRO. SPRO basically it's called as a transaction code. Okay, S stands for SAP, P stands for project, R stands for reference, O stands for object. It is called SAP project reference object. Or also you can call it as a standard project reference object. Both are same. You can see now what will happen when I click here, I'll get like this screen. Customize your project, SAP reference IMG. Now if I give this direct code directly here, I'll get same screen. See, customizing your project. See, you can give directly this code, can give it here. Otherwise, you can double click on this. Both are same. Now what you do? Click on SAP reference IMG. IMG means it is called implementation guide. Okay. So once you click on IMG here, you will be able to see the functional screen will come. See. SAP customizing implementation guides. Can you see one screen has come? SAP customizing implementation guide. So this is where the projects of the company will happen. Day-to-day project. Whatever the transactions billing are there, so those all will be happening from this screen. So our training will be starting from this screen. Okay, not now, probably from Monday maybe, because I think Manika told me Monday to Thursday will be your classes, correct? Or Monday to Friday. I don't know Monday to Friday or Thursday. Let me confirm that. Okay, so if it is tomorrow, then tomorrow I'll start your classes from this screen. So this is the functional screen where we do implementation project and everything. If I take it back, this is called end user screen. This is clear, everyone? Is anyone has a doubt, anything? You can ask me. So my training will be on both. My training will be on this as well as this, both. Yes, so anyone has a doubt, you can ask me. And the syllabus is here, this one. The first topic I'll be taking you, creation of company, how to create a company, how to create company code, these all topics will come. Yes, any doubts anyone has, you are open to ask. Yes, any queries anyone?
We also do customization part also.
Customization part will be covered. Customization part is this one. Customization part. Where we see where we'll be creating project here in my training. So once the project is created here, then we will go to the end user the screen. So I want to ask you one thing, Ashish, are you working on this screen or are you working on this screen?
Not the configuration part, but just as a consultant.
No, you're working as an end user. Oh, okay. No, that means you're not a consultant, buddy. You're a end user actually. Okay. You're not a consultant actually. You are end user. You're working on end user level. And that's what I'm thinking actually. You have 2 years of experience and how you can call consultant. Consultant is the one who will be working on implementation tool with the configurations and all. Customizing part.
Yeah, right.
Okay, you are an end user. Okay, you are an end user. Okay.
Sir, firstly, we are go to the as a consultant or end user.
We depend upon the company to company which they are hiring you. Okay, some will hire you as an end user, and some will hire you as a consultant.
Sir, sorry for interrupt you, but what is the exact path to promote? I mean to say that what is the actually way in the SAP? Firstly, we have to work on as a end user. After that, we
End
have placed in.
user. Yes, see, it depends upon your luck, I can tell you. If you apply for any consultant level job, if you're having a good skill on consultant level, then they can hire you on consultant level. If you apply, if you get a job opportunity in end user, then you need to take experience in end user, then go for consultant level. You can do like that, or you can do like this.
Okay, I
Both
think
are same.
firstly it is mandate to create a 4 to 5 year experience as a end user. After that, we will go for a as a consultant, right?
As a consultant, yes, that is a better option to go. So you'll understand, you'll learn more in SAP. Clear? Yes. Everyone is clear, I think
Yes, sir.
so.
Great.
Yes, fine. Okay, then fine, everyone. Then I'll stop the recording. I think I'll stop the recording now. So this recording will get reflected in a Skype chat here. Okay. So once you stop the